What's up, my PowerUp friends? Welcome back to PowerUp with Kaynee. Today, Evan and I are going to make a zucchini bread sandwich that is going to be so delicious. Your entire family will love it. So, say for example, you're on keto or on a low-carb diet, and I know that sometimes our meals are not as appetizing for family members, but this one totally is. They are going to love it. What you're going to need is just two different kinds of cheeses. So I just have some mild cheddar cheese here. I have an Italian blend that tastes amazing. It's got mozzarella, Parmesan, all kinds of good Italian cheeses. Then you're going to need 2 zucchini and a little bit of salt. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to spread our cheddar cheese here at the bottom. And again, you can select the kind of cheese that you like best. As long as it's shredded, it'll work beautifully. And Evan's going to help me do that. And now we're going to cut our zucchini in slices with this potato peeler, and we're going to put the slices on the cheese.
And you have a lot of babies.
A lot of babies. Excellent job, Evan. Oh my goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Now we're going to lay our zucchini strips evenly on our cheddar cheese.
I already know that this is going to be so good. Evan, the chef.
Now we're going to top it off with our Italian cheese blend.
Is this goat cheese?
This is Italian cheese blend.
Ew. Now my hands are going to smell like cheese.
To top it off, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, but I'm going to do that very precociously because the cheese, of course, is already salty. But I find that if you add just a pinch more, it is just perfect. Now I'm going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. My zucchini bread is out of the oven and it smells delicious. It is crunchy, so I'm going to cut it and make a sandwich. Time for the taste test. To die for. I can't even talk right now. So amazing. Do you want some, Jaylee? Oh, okay. What say you, Jay? You good?
That's a 100 out of 10.
So, Jaylee, are you coming back for seconds?
No.
I love you. All right, my PowerUp friends, that's it for this video. For more recipes like this one that are low carb, keto friendly, super delicious, and extremely easy to make, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a video, and share this video and my channel with friends and family who you know have embarked on a healthy eating journey. Bye until next time.